Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how to turn off restriction mode on TikTok. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version, and in case you haven't updated, then all you have to do is head towards your Play Store, and after that on the search box type in TikTok. So on the other page, instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available, you need to update the application for the latest feature. So first of all, open up your TikTok application, tap on the profile icon which is right at the bottom. As you tap on the profile icon, next tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner of your screen. So after that, tap on settings and privacy from the drop down menu. Now under it there are multiple options, so what you have to do is you'll have to look for content preferences. Now in some other cases you might have a digital well-being as well, so you can either tap on digital well-being or content preferences. So after you tap on it, on the other page there are two different options, and on the last option there is restricted mode. So all you have to do is just simply tap on it. So then make sure to go to the following statement and then tap on turn off, which is right at the bottom. So in order to turn it off, you'll have to enter the passcode that you've created while you turn on the restricted mode. And in case if you have forgotten your passcode, then you can tap on forgot passcode, and then you'll have some alternative method to turn off your restricted mode. So once you're done entering your correct password, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So you can see that the restricted mode has been turned off, and this is how you can turn it off. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.